quarter on quarter. Is there any order related issue that you're facing?
No, not the question of no orders. Last quarter we had got a spike on 3 of our accounts, and that was a temporary spike that had come, and we did that for about 3 or 4 months from February to last quarter, and that business was not available in this particular quarter. So it is really that business which has declined. A. B. We gave up a lot of unprofitable and not remunerative businesses which were there. We actually we slowly actually stopped those businesses. That's why actually the profitability improved in the last 6 odd months. So those are the 2 reasons why the top line was flat or lower.
Okay, in that case, Sunil, how would you guide for FY16 in terms of top line growth?
We largely think we'll be flat here. It will be a flat year for us because we are still going through our own transformation, and we have a very long tail, Mangalam. So we are trying to actually get rid of that long tail, frankly. And so that is one thing that we did. And B, we had a unprofitable Oracle business actually which we closed down. So so to that extent, those businesses which were there last year, those revenue you will not count for, and in spite of that, we'll essentially have a flat year.
Okay, and would that flatness also translate into the bottom line?
No, actually the bottom line will improve, and that's why if you see on, for the first 6 months, PAT for this year is 14.2 compared to 8.7 for last year. So, even though the operating income has gone up only 15%, the revenue, the profit has gone up by 64% because of these transformations that we are doing. Essentially, we are either reducing the tail or are divesting the unprofitable businesses.
What's the residual business that remains with Blue Star Info Systems after the sale to Infogain?
The residual business with Blue Star Infotech will be the property business, which is at this point about 97 crores business that we have.
Okay, and what's the financial performance of that business?
So, the rental income that we get at this point of time is about 48 odd lakhs for the month, and about 1.5 crore for the quarter.
Okay, now this is a little late in the day, but since you haven't spoken about it, what was your rationale behind selling the Infosystems business?
See, the IT business, as which requires, frankly, it requires certain amount of scale, and it requires us to invest so as to build a differentiated asset. The kind of investments which are required in the IT business, the parent company, you're frankly not willing to put those investments in. And because the parent company needs investment in its own core business, which is the operating business, and as a part of that, they decided to then go ahead with the investments in the parent business, which is the air conditioning business, where they are market leaders. So that was one of the reasons, and the IT business it was felt doesn't provide the necessary scale to take it up.
All right, Sunil, thanks a lot for your time today. That's Blue Star Infotech. Some news flashing on your screen.